M3 Competition Touring in with us here at TTW Installations. We've just installed the latest generation Target Blueye 2. This particular device will give you early warning notification of emergency vehicles such as ambulance, fire and police. So I will just give you a quick walk around in terms of obviously what we've done, just a quick resume of what the product does and how it works as well. So if I just show you inside now. So the new generation Target Blueye systems, so now they do a really nice touchscreen version. This particular one, we've programmed it so it's in like a dark mode, so it will only light up when it picks up a certain signal from the information. But if I just show you here, now you've obviously got the display. Now the difference is now with the new generation ones is that you can detect 3 separate signals now. So whereas before the first generation it was only 1 signal, now you can pick up 3 separate vehicles, which is really great. Obviously it's all touchscreen, which is on here. Press again, you've got your various settings that you can select. So if we go into here, this is the detection range. So I tend to have mine on about this level, because if you have it lower down, it's just alerting you for stuff that's just too far away. This is a really good happy medium for city driving as well as on the motorway. So basically what it means is if it gets beyond this distance and getting close to you, then you will get the extra alerts from this level and above. Obviously red, it's really close. Obviously then you can see some of this now, it's detecting certain things, but they're too far away, so we're not obviously getting any audible alerts. It's a great little device, so obviously now you can just see it's gone over the threshold and now it's starting to beep. So something is obviously in and around the area, but it's just not close enough yet to get higher level on the warning on there. So if you're interested in one of these, it doesn't matter what vehicle you've got, we can obviously install this, no problem at all. There's various locations we can fit. Obviously, yes, now you can see it's getting closer. We can fit in this position. There's customers that we've done where it's been more located in this sort of area. We've got quite a lot of scope to install these. There'd be other videos of other ones that we fitted, like in our Defender, other customers' Defender, Porsche Taycans, we've fitted them in. So it's a great little device to have. So if you'd like further information, then please get in touch here at TTW Installations.